Hi everyone, today we're going to print checks. If you do not know your check form or format, please see the prior video that shows you how to check and select your check format to print checks, okay? So in this case, I am going to select check form number 3, and I am I usually will export it to PDF just so I can have a copy, but you can also select print. Okay, you can preview it if you want to see what it's going to look like, and you can kind of see, obviously you'd have to put your check stock in the printer. Okay, and that's it. You're just going to close that. You can actually even print it from here or print it from here. If you have any questions on what I've said, leave them in the comments, but be sure you select your check format. That's important. And you might want to save that note. If you want a list or you would like the PDF of all the check formats, you can let me know in the comments or email info@mareevuitton.com, and I'd be happy to share that with you for free. Thank you.